Let's see the topic of how to use design data book in the field of mechanical. This is Dr. N.V. Dandavani from MechDesign Consultancy, Coimbatore. Let's go to the video. Nowadays, engineering students are some of the working professionals in the field of mechanical. They doesn't know how to use a design data book. So this is the design data book, PhD design data book. Actually, this book which contains almost 14 chapters. So each and every chapter is very important. Especially this book is used for a mechanical design engineer or product design engineer, even CA engineers, computer aided engineers, because the reason being is this book which contains how to select the materials. Okay, so any product you are going to manufacture, material selection is very important, and bearing selections, heat treatment process. There are various types of heat treatment process are available. So how to select the heat treatment process depends upon the type of applications, and selection of gears, gear calculations, and also for standards and standard components, limit, fits and tolerance, including GD&T symbols. Suppose limits, fits and tolerance, this is very important for any mating components. Standards and standard components, you are going to select a product like bolt or nut or washer, whatever it is. Okay, so how to select the bolt and corresponding nut, how we have to select it depends upon the type of applications. Number of bolt, how we have to decide it. So those type of parameters, those type of tables, graphs, all those things which is available in this design data book. So we can make use of it. Any product you are going to manufacturing or any product you are going to design, this is very important. And to the certain extent we have the mechanics and machine elements. Mechanics means already we studied in engineering courses, engineering mechanics, and the elements of mechanics in the sense or machine element in the sense we have studied in strength of material and design of machine element. We have a plenty of formulas, maybe a bending equation or torsion equation, different types of beams and supports and all those things. So all the bending equation or torsion equations, types of load, types of support, everything which is available in this design data book depends upon the type of application. You have to select, and how to select the type of load and the type of beam, how we have to define the bending moment and maximum stress distributions, all those things. By using these design data book, you can get the formula directly and then calculate, then finally you can apply it to your product for a design of product or fabricated structures. Okay, and again to the certain extent welding and welding symbols, how to define it, even like material handling equipment, how to design, what are the standards which is available, and the standard graphs also we have plenty. So it depends upon the type of load, how we have to determine the stress distribution and deformations, all those things which is comes under this design data book. And especially for foundries, casting and machining components, because casting is the most important area for making the product, and machining another important area. So casting and machining, we are going to do the two different type of drawings. For making those type of drawings, this standard data book is much more important. In sheet metal, if you take bending elements, bending reductions, K factors, Y factors, all those things we are going to select and define that. So then only the product will be very successful, and also aesthetic aspect is good, right? So for that reason, this book is very important. And again, if you get this book, you just go through all the chapters. We have plenty of tables, depends upon the type of product and which parameters we have to select, which parameter we have to calculate, and what type of formula we have to use. So all those things, before entering this particular design data book, you should know the fundamental concept. Then if you enter it and get all the information, then you can do the product development. Thank you.